Do you think Popz will sink to the bottom or float on top of the water? Let's find out. Oh.
Come on and play. Come on and sing. Come on and learn. Popz Treehouse.
Twinkle and I were just talking about water. Water is really cool and can take on many different forms. It could be a liquid, which is what we drink. It could be a solid when you put it into the freezer and it turns into ice. And it could be a gas when you boil it and the water turns into vapor. Another name for water is H2O. Water does a lot for us. It even covers most of the Earth's surface. You and me are even made up of water. If you close your eyes and imagine all your friends and family as water, it can look pretty silly. You can even cook with water. You may have noticed this last time your parents made pasta or soup. Water can even make electricity, which powers your house. Take a look at the powerful Niagara Falls. Over 100 years ago, power companies have used the water to generate electricity. The water is diverted into pipes, which goes to huge turbines to make electricity. Enough power to power 24 million light bulbs. Water can even make some objects float to the top or sink to the bottom. If an object is more dense than water, it'll sink. If it's less dense, it'll float. That gives me an idea. Let's use the door of imagination to play the game Sink or Float using water. Come through the door of imagination with me. We're here at this big blow-up pool, filled with water. We're gonna see if some objects sink to the bottom of the pool or float to the top. Let's see what happens. First up, a red fire truck. Let's see if it sinks or floats. The red fire truck sank to the bottom of the pool. It's really heavy and filled with water, and it sunk right to the bottom. Let's see what else we have. We have an orange bowling pin. Do you think it will sink or float? The orange bowling pin floated on top of the water. It floats because it's full of air. Next, we have an orange carrot. Do you think it will sink or float? The orange carrot floats on top of the water just like the bowling pin because it's full of air. Next, we have a baseball. Do you think the baseball will sink or float? Baseball floats to the top. Next, we have a school bus. Do you think the school bus will sink or float? The school bus sank to the bottom of the pool. A yummy sandwich. Will it sink or float? The wood sandwich floats on top of the pool. Ooh, a fireman's helmet. Whoops! Do you think the helmet will sink or float? The helmet floats on top of the water. Next, we have a watering can. Usually, you fill up a watering can with water. So let's see what happens when we put the watering can into the water. The watering can floats, but when it begins to fill with water, it starts to sink. A monster truck. Do you think the monster truck will sink to the bottom of the water or float on top? The monster truck sunk to the bottom of the water. It must be really heavy. Oh, look it! We have this baby! This toy baby. Do you think she'll sink or float? The baby floats on top of the water. Bye, baby. Be safe. Next, we have a blue cup full of marbles. Do you think the marbles will sink or float? The marbles sink to the bottom because they're really heavy, but the cup is really light, so it floats on top. Ooh, we have a yellow fish. Do you think the yellow fish will sink or float? The yellow fish floats on top of the water because it's full of air. Now we have this purple speedboat. Do you think the boat will float or sink? I hope it floats. Usually boats float on top of the water. Let's find out what happens. The purple boat floats on top of the water. And last but not least, some red and green yummy watermelon. Do you think the watermelon will sink or float? It floats on top of the water. That's all we have. I think the only thing left that we can test if it sinks or floats is me.
What do you think? Do you think Popz will sink to the bottom or float on top of the water? Let's find out. Oh, it's so cold, but Popz is floating on top of the water because my lungs are full of air. Ooh. Well, that's all for today, friends. I hope you had fun learning all about water. See you next time. Later, Gators.